Now for drawing the flow diagram, we will first draw straight 4 lines. Now for presentation, we have to draw a vertical points that will be exactly straight. So it would be easy to directly plot the lines. You have to just join these 2 points. That would be like this. And on this side, it would be like this. Now, we know that at the end points, there is a summation function. So we can write this. Now this would be a basic butterfly. At the input side, it would be a bit reverse order obviously. So it is x of 0, x of 2, x of 1 and x of 3. Now we'll mark the points at the output side. At the output side, it would be normal order. That is x of 0, x of 1, x of 2 and x of 3. Let us write down the multiplication factors. And at the ending of the butterfly, it would be always -1. Here, the multiplying factor will be w4 raised to 0 and w4 raised to 1. And same goes for all the butterflies, that is 1, -1 at the ending and here -1 at the ending. So we are going to solve this concept just directly. There are 2 methods basically. First, we can directly solve using this flow diagram and another using these equations. First, we will directly solve using the flow diagram. X of 0 is 0. So, there is no need to take the value directly. It turns out to be 0. X of 2 is also 0. So, at the first point, both the values are 0. Here, x of 1 and x of 3 have values 1 and -1. At this point, 1 and -1 also come out to be 0. And at this point, that is here, 1 and again -1, but here you have to be careful. There is a multiplying factor, that is w4 raised to 1, and again there is -1 here. So -1 into -1 turns out to be 1, so it is 2 here. Now w4 raised to 1, as we have seen, it is -j. So at this point, it turns out to be -2j. And here w4 raised to is 1. But also the value is 0. It continues to be 0. Now at the next point, this value from here, that is x of 1, goes here. That is for x of 0. And x of 0 from here. 0 plus 0 comes out to be 0. For x of 1, that is this value coming from here and another value coming from here, that is 0 minus 2j, which is -2j. For x of 2, here the value is 0 and again from the above side the value is 0. So 0 plus 0 is 0. And for x of 3, the value is -2j and again into -1, that comes out to be 2j, and from this side, that is x of 2 side, it is 0. So 2j plus 0 comes out to be 2j. And finally we find out the DFT, that is x of k, that is equal to 0 minus 2j, 0